Uncle Mark here, welcome to the channel. Just working on my 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. I'm going to change the wiper blade arm. This is the old one. And basically the factory ones have this plastic piece and basically it does not want to stay on. Junk as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, if you have one of these, you may want to upgrade if it breaks just like mine did. Or maybe there may be another reason why you want to switch it. But I'll show you how to do it. It can be dangerous. I'll just warn you ahead of time. You don't want to break the window. That would be unfortunate. Plus, getting the nut off on this might be a little tricky as well. I'm going to show you a tool that's a windshield wiper arm removal tool to actually get this to come off of the shaft itself. It'll all be explained in the video. Anyway, let's get right to it. Hopefully you can benefit from this. Well, we'll take a look at it here. Now this one has the plastic arm. It looks like the newer vans don't have that. This is a 2010. I'm not sure when they came up with this, but you can see that popped off way too easy. And it's because these fingers here on this side are fine, but on the other side, one is broken somehow. It's kind of a cheap design. I don't know. See, there's one there, but there should be one right here too. And they kind of flex a little bit when you snap the wiper blade on and off. These wiper blades are kind of hard to find too, so I'm not going to miss this arm. I'm going to go to a steel one like the newer Caravans and the older Caravans had. I don't know why they came up with this. Maybe just a nicer looking design, but so the nut is right behind there. I've had this off a long time ago. It's a 13 millimeter. I don't know how easy it is to come off. A lot of times the nut is seized on there, so I'm going to try and tap it. Now this, I don't know if it's suggested or not. Usually they're seized on, and you'll just twist them. I should really have somebody holding the other side of the wiper arm right there as I'm doing it, so it doesn't bounce around so much. But, oh, there it came off. You can try and see if yours will come off or not, but I think I had some anti-seize on it as well from last time. I would suggest you don't force it like crazy. Now this is a tool to get the arm off because usually they're on pretty hard. It's a wiper arm removal tool, I guess. I'll put a description or a link in the description to the product. So basically it's almost like a ball joint removal tool in mini. As you turn it, oh there you go, it popped it out. It helps you not break the window or the wiper motor or anything else. So I'll have to clean those up. So you can see this set has the two little plastic fingers that would hold the wiper on. And if I flip it around here, as I mentioned, there's that one that's missing. I was wondering, why is this kind of not really hanging on so well? Especially if you're going to have some strange weather or you have winter, ice build up on the back. This is what the tool looks like. It just basically puts some force against there. So I'm going to try and clean up these little splines. You can see in close up those little grooves there. Usually kind of fill with dirt and then when the wiper arm goes on there, it doesn't make a really good fit. I'm going to put a little bit of anti-seize on mine. Although after I noticed the wiper arm I have bought doesn't have these little splines on the arm. So I guess the anti-seize is really not going to help me at all. But maybe I should put some where the nut is. And then the nut will come off easy next time. Because you always think there won't be a next time. I don't think I need a whole lot of it on there. Do me a favor, give me the thumbs up while you have a moment here as you watch. So I bought a kit. It was the wiper arm and the blade, and it was basically the same price as I just paid for that wiper blade. That's kind of interesting. This actually came with the tool and the nut. Should come with the nut, but there you go. And here's the arm, and it's kind of like the front wiper blade arms, the ones that they should have used, the ones they're using now on the newer Grand Caravans. And it came with a wiper blade too. So that's kind of nice. Again, I'll try and put a link in the description for this one that I bought, and maybe some better ones, a little more expensive ones. And again, the expensive ones will have where the shaft goes into the wiper blade arm. They'll have splines in there, and that'll help it not move even when you tighten the bolt down. I don't know why they just didn't make a groove in it or something, but... Well, actually, I do know why. So that you could adjust how high up or down the wiper blade sits on the window. So if you hold the wiper arm out a little bit and push it on, it'll relieve a little bit of the tension. So I'm going to try and figure out where I want it to sit. And put the nut on, and I see this one I'm going to have to use a ratchet with a socket, because there's no way I'm going to get my wrench in there like we did taking off the old one. I'm going to try and tighten it up, and then it's like, hopefully this is going to work. We'll test it first. I thought it was in a good spot, so I put this plastic cover on. See the little fingers on there? You want to make sure that that's not going to be in the way of where your screwdriver is going to go if you have to take that off. I'll show you that in a minute. It goes right in there. Show you the close-up. See what I'm talking about? Anyway, let's get to testing it. We're just about done, or I'm just about done. You're just about done watching as well. So that's how you take this off, and hopefully you don't lose it like I just did. Good thing I'm in the garage. Otherwise, if you're outside, you'd probably be near a sewer or something, and kaboom, go down the sewer. It's just kind of a dust cap or an appearance thing to make it look nicer. So I'm going to try the wiper blade. I thought this is about the height, and whoa, it just about goes to the bottom. If you look on the left side, I'm going to run it again here. Actually, I have the wiper on. There you go. There, did you see it? It almost touches the bottom of the window. So maybe I should make it, when it parks, just a little lower. So we know how this comes off. This time I was smarter. I didn't let that fly away. I'm just going to loosen it enough that the arm will move. I'm going to pull up on the arm a little bit. And then just make it go down just a little bit, and then try and reposition and retighten it. Let's go somewhere there. I think I might have it a little too low. That might be better. Make it pretty snug. Put my little dust cap back on. Maybe I'll test it first. Let's see how far, if it doesn't hit the edge of the window. Oh, way better, huh? Way better on the left. And hopefully this is going to be a lot better for, well, not losing the wiper blade, getting them easily. See, with special wiper blades, just take this little plastic thing off, and the edge of the blade is just a guard. It's garbage. And I'm good. So I'm hoping I've fixed the problem that I had. One thing I've noticed, and I showed you in the video, is the original one from Chrysler had little splines in the hole here. So when it goes in the shaft also has splines as well. And when you put them on, it can't move. It can't do this without the shaft moving. Problem is, the cheap one I put on there, I think it's plastic bushing or something. I think I'm going to strip it maybe when wintertime comes and the thing freezes. We will see. Anyway, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? You can subscribe down in the corner there too. Plus, right here, just above the big circle, should be a playlist for the Grand Caravan. If you have one, there may be other repairs you'll be doing later on. And, well, I've done quite a few of them already, so maybe I can help you save some time and understand exactly what's going on, how the parts come off. Until next time, you and your family stay safe. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Please subscribe. You'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Until next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye for now. You guys take... But you guys what? You guys stay safe. Can we edit that in there? You guys stay safe.